how to sign in or log in to Google Photos account. So if you want to sign in or log into your Google Photos, then first you need to open up a browser, Chrome browser, and then you can simply go for the upper right, which has that Google Apps icon. Click on Google Apps, and then here you will have your Google Apps, right? So you can simply choose Google Photos, and under your Google Photos, here you can go to Google Photos, which is on the upper right. And to sign in or log into your account, you need to log in with a Google account. So you can choose use another account to add another account. So here, enter your email on the first blank. And once you enter your email, you need to click on next. And then you need to enter your password on the next step. But here, you can also enter your passkey to confirm or to log in. So I'll be choosing continue, and then you need to enter your passkey of your laptop, or you can also enter your password of your Google account. And once you enter your password, your account will be logged in. So that's it. That's how you log into your Google Photos account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.